I love effective and efficient. Understanding how to use the Agile Daily Stand-up format in your organization will save you time, ensure everyone is on the same page with minimal surprises, and provide everyone with the same amount of visibility. Hello and welcome to Rockstar Manager. I'm Dr. K, the management professor, and today's episode is about the Agile Daily Stand-up format. In Agile, there's a specific manner in which to report your updates. It's done on a daily basis and completed within 15 minutes. Each person provides a pointed update sharing 3 things. 1, what was accomplished between now and the prior meeting. 2, what will be accomplished between now and the next meeting. And 3, ask any questions or identify any potential roadblocks. What I like about this format is that it's quick and efficient. Because each person with identified responsibilities is present, the format naturally holds everyone accountable and ensures their tasks are completed. As the learning curve of the team flattens, team members start to get a feel for expectations and the pace of one another. The ability to manage a burn-down chart, or the estimated time it takes to complete tasks, becomes increasingly more accurate. Additionally, it usually eliminates the need for people to go off on tangents and keeps everyone focused. Because these meetings are so short, they're often held daily, especially when you're managing 2-week sprints. If you're not in a sprint, I like to use this format and hold update meetings weekly. Using a spreadsheet in Excel, I list each of the tasks in column 1, the owners in column 2, then I bullet what was done, what will be done, and if there are any roadblocks in the following 3 columns. At the next meeting, I build another 3 columns for the same updates. This file then provides a comprehensive snapshot of the progress on the overall project with item level and ownership level details. Hopefully you have a better understanding of what the Agile Daily Stand-up is and are likely to use the concept for regular updates. If you're interested in learning more about related managerial topics, you can find my book, Rockstar Manager from Theory to Practice at Barnes & Noble, or head to scrum.org. Thanks for your time, be your best you, and be a rockstar manager.